Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos to your Instagram story. It's a very quick and simple thing to do, so let's get into it. Open up your Instagram and then select add a story. You can do that just by holding up the story profile photo here, or you can select this little plus and select story. Once we're here, let's just select a random picture, and if we want to add another picture, you can do that from the stickers options on here. Once we're open this menu, scroll down and select this little icon. It will open up your camera walk and you can add the picture here. And as you can see, if we do it again and select it again, I can add multiple photos from here like this. And that's how you add multiple photos to your story on Instagram. Hope this helped you. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and have a nice day!